Hi guys, and welcome back. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Today we're just going to talk about the top 2 reasons why we find people don't recover as well as they should in relation to treatment. Number 1, patient adherence or injury ownership. So one of the most important things we find is that when patients attend clinic, we talk about injury ownership. The patient has to own the injury, it's their injury. So that means they're responsible for adhering to the treatment and recovery protocols, as in the corrective exercises after they finish the clinic. You have to remember that we only see the patient for a very small amount of time within a week time slot. Some practitioners see them more, but we see it for a very little space of time, and the patient is responsible for the recovery exercises outside of the clinic. Number 2, sometimes patients don't understand that overloading the tissue outside of the clinic in an inappropriate manner can reduce the results. So for example, if somebody lists a task that seems to make the condition worse, however small that may be, that person may need to remove that from their daily routine for a period of time. For example, if somebody says they like to garden and they say that the gardening has to be done. Okay, the gardening may want to be done, but the gardening does not have to be done at that time. The weeds will still be there, they can still be pulled later. It might be unsightly, but it's not absolutely necessary. Remember, the only thing that's absolutely necessary is that you get better. So the advice for the patient would be, maybe you don't have to do that, maybe you can put that off and do it later. Or have someone else do it for you if you have some nice family members. So they're the top 2 reasons that we find that people don't recover as well as they should. Is 1, we don't have adherence to the recovery exercises, and 2, they're not thinking about the actual stress on the body afterwards, and they dismiss the level of stress the body is under after they're in the clinic. Thanks for watching.